htj.tax, the international tax firm for 6, 7, and 8-figure investors and entrepreneurs who are living that international life. Are you ready?
So foreigners setting up an LLC only to facilitate Stripe payments. Okay, so this is someone else asking what payment processing. I know it's a big deal. If I heard correctly, you mentioned that if your bank account earns interest and the interest is taxable, if that's correct, should foreigners try to ensure all earnings go into? Okay, so again, it really depends on, so for those who have this payment processing angle, you're not American, but you want access to the American banking and payment processing infrastructure, a lot more options in many other countries, right? So I get that. It really depends. Yes, any interest that is earned on a bank account in the US will be subject to withholding, right? So as to whether that means then you should minimize the balances, normally you need to work with whoever your payment processor is, because they may stipulate a minimum balance, that you need to keep a minimum balance. You need to keep a float of whatever in a US account. You need to appoint a US person to be the responsible person. And it really depends, but just generally speaking, keeping it super simple, if it is that you have a bank account in the US and you are not a US person, the interest will be subject to withholding tax. But we're in a relatively low interest rate environment, so hopefully the balance that you need to maintain isn't that high, so therefore the tax burden wouldn't be that aggressive either.
So if you're a 6, 7, or 8-figure investor, entrepreneur, or business owner who needs a tailor-made solution from a qualified team of professionals, we can help you achieve the international lifestyle, the freedom, and even the tax savings you're looking for. Visit us at htj.tax and live that international life.